In this problem, we're going to start out with saturated steam at 250 centigrade, and we're going to cool it at constant volume until its quality is 85%, meaning 85% vapor, 15% liquid. We want to know the final temperature and the pressure. We're going to use steam tables that are available on the LearnChemE site. So let's first look at what this process is like on a pressure volume diagram. So here we're starting out at approximately the right pressure, temperature on this diagram. And what I'm going to do is, at constant volume, remove heat. And you can see as we remove heat, we move into the two-phase region. And as we remove more heat, of course, we form more liquid, less vapor. Keep in mind this is log pressure versus log volume. So now let's look at the spreadsheet to do the calculations for this process. So here's the spreadsheet. I have to enable editing to be able to use it, enable the content. And now let's look at, on saturated temperature diagram, 250 C, see the pressure when we start 3.976 megapascals. What we're interested in is the volume, so I'm going to write the volume over here, 0.05008. So we know we're at a lower pressure and a lower temperature. We're in the saturated steam tables page. Let's look at the quality, 0.85. The only values we can change are the ones that are in bright yellow. So we've changed the quality 0.85. Well, at the 250 we don't have a large enough volume. Let's try 240. Well, volume is a little larger, so let's try 241. Well, the volume is really close, and it's not worth trying to get more accurate than that when we only know the quality of the two significant figures. So we know then the final temperature, 241, and the final pressure, 3.4 megapascals. So we're at saturation conditions, of course, since we have vapor-liquid mixture. The steam tables make it very easy to look at this constant volume process.